Hello, it's Myron from HTS Spares, and today I'm bringing you the third of our December offers. This 6-piece wearer screwdriver set could be yours. Fantastic set with the renowned Craftform ergonomic handle and a special feature of the laser tip ends, which helps prevent any of what no one ever likes, the slipping out of screw heads. Also comes in a fantastic neat little holder, so you can screw that to the wall, in the back of your van, or wherever. So, to get one of these, all you have to do is order one of our 12-volt fuel transfer pump kits, which contains everything you need for your full fuel transfer. So you've got 2 types of hoses, the pump, your nozzle, and the connection fittings. So there's no need to scrub around the back of your van or all ends of the workshop looking for those vital components. They're all in that one box. So order one of those and you'll receive this fantastic wearer screwdriver set that is worth £30. Don't be the one that misses out. Thank you.